Hello, this is Craig with Follett Technical Service. Today we are going to install the Horizon Elite Drain Kit. Before we begin, please be sure to use personal protective equipment. Follett recommends protective eyewear and gloves for this procedure. Also, remove power from the unit when appropriate. The tools and supplies we'll be using today are as follows: PVC primer and cement, PVC pipe cutter, thread sealant. An Horizon Elite Drain Kit that includes 1 3/4 inch barbed fitting, 2 straight 3/4 inch fittings, a 2 foot 3/4 inch inside diameter silicone rubber drain tubing, and a 1 3/4 inch to 1 inch adapter fitting with a 1 inch slip-on to the hard pipe. Please note that the minimum radius of the silicone drain tube is 8 inches at the completion of the installation. A few reminders before we begin. The drain must slope 1/4 inch per foot. Do not tee or share the drain line with any other piece of equipment. Do not reduce the drain line to smaller than 1 inch. Do not vent the drain pipe. To begin the installation, remove the existing drain fitting from the back of the machine. Decide whether you want to use the 90-degree elbow drain fitting or the straight drain fitting. Place thread sealant on the male end of the drain at the back of the machine. Screw on the new drain fitting until hand tight. If using the elbow fitting, ensure it is pointed in the intended direction. Use PVC primer and cement to attach the 1 inch PVC adapter to the 1 inch PVC standpipe. Place thread sealant on the adapter. Screw on the new drain fitting until hand tight. Install the supplied silicone tubing to both barbed ends of the fittings. If needed, adjust the length of the drain tube to avoid dips or traps.